Hey guys, it's Alex with Paragon Performance. Today we're going to be installing the C8 diffuser fins from Paragon. These are going to be optioned in a carbon fiber as well as a painted carbon flash. We need a couple tools for this install: 7mm socket, 1/4" drill bit, 8mm wrench or socket, and a 3mm Allen. Pretty easy install. Let's get to it. First thing we need to do is locate these two screws. They will be the screw just outside of this centered screw on either side, and we need to remove them. All right, so starting with these fins, there is a part number on both of these, and they will be a part number and a -1, -2, 3, and 4. That's going to give you your designation of where they go. They are going to be orientated 1 through 4 from left to right. All right, so we're gonna start here with the one labeled as number 2, working here on the driver's side inboard one. This little hump or body line that we see here, we're gonna wanna set this so it's just inside of the highest point of this curve. And then you'll have a little bit of test fitting and kind of messing around with it to get it sorted as far as which hole it wants to go in, where it will just slide into place for you. Once you've done that, we're gonna take one of these 7mm screws from earlier and loosely reinstall it to hold this bottom in place. And then you'll repeat this same process for number 3. All right, so we've cut out our template here for the driver's side. It's got some outer portions here that we need to line up with the outer edges of the factory diffuser pieces here. And then it also notates here where we need to drill some holes. Let's get this installed. We've got fin number 1 here for the driver's side. We're gonna get this mocked up into place and verify that our bolts and stuff line up and that we've got a good spot selected in the grill here for it to be straight. That in place, verify our holes line up. We are good to go there. And you can do this a couple different ways. You can go ahead and just drill it through here if you would like. You can remove it and drill it. I'm going to remove it and drill it because our holes do line up, so we can use those as a reference. Also, for the top side up here through the grill, if you wanted to take note, you could put a piece of tape here on the side of it just to locate that when you go to put it back together. So you stick it back through the same holes again. Using a 1/4" drill bit, we're going to drill through these holes here. Okay, and remove our template. And then repeat the same for the passenger side. Now that we've got our holes drilled, we're going to get the fin installed here on the driver's side using your tape from your previous alignment marks here. You're going to grab 2 of the nylock nuts that were provided with the kit and install just finger tight on the back side here. I'm going to repeat this for all 4 fins. Now that we've got all the fins here with the nut installed on the stud up top, we're going to take the Allen headed screw, install it from the bottom through the fin and through this diffuser, and top it with a small locking nut. Now that we've got these 2 bottom bolts here installed, you're going to repeat the same thing for the passenger side. From here, you just go through and tighten down all of these bolts. There you guys have it, real easy install. Add some simple aggressive styling to your C8. As always, like, subscribe, and comment. We'll see you guys next time.